A 3RZ head has a step that's up around the valve stem, and there is a valve stem seal above the step. The Supertech valve springs are double valve spring, and they come with a hardened seat for the inner valve spring. It has a disc area here. The disc area goes down, the flat area goes up. To install it, you just drop it on, and it fits around the existing valve seal. So you don't have to take the valve seals off, which is great. Obviously this one didn't drop right down, but I'll poke at it with 2 screwdrivers and I'll get it seated, and it will be easy. And then I'll put the valve springs on.